Hello, and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely. Thank you for joining me today. I am happy you are here. Today, we will talk about a wonderful topic. We will talk about you. Our title today is Find Yourself. Discover what makes you, you. It is a big idea, but we will explore it together, simply. Finding yourself is an important trip. It helps you understand your choices. It helps you feel good about who you are. Please relax, breathe slowly, and let us begin. Stay with me until the very end for a small practice task. We start with a simple question. Who are you? Maybe you think, I am a student. I am a manager. I am a mother. These things are important, yes, but they are not the complete answer. You are much more than your job or your name. You are made of many parts. The most important parts are what you think and what you feel. Think about your thoughts. What do you think about when you are alone? Do you worry? Are you planning something exciting? These quiet thoughts are part of you. They show you what is important in your mind. Now, think about your feelings. How do you feel right now? Are you calm? Are you happy to be learning English? Sometimes we are busy and we do not listen to our inner voice. Finding yourself means stopping and listening. Listen to your feelings. Listen to your thoughts. They are the map to discovering who you are. Next, let us talk about your strengths. Strengths are things that you do easily and well. Everyone has strengths. We are all strong in different ways. Think about the things people ask you for help with. Maybe your friend says, "Can you help me plan this party? You are very good at planning." This means planning is one of your strengths. Maybe you are very good at listening. Maybe you are very good at explaining difficult things simply. Maybe you are good at being patient. These are your natural gifts. When you use your strengths, work feels easier. When you use your strengths, you feel happier. It is a good feeling to be useful and strong. Try to see yourself clearly. Stop thinking about what you are bad at. Start thinking about what you are good at. Focus on your strengths. To truly find yourself, we also need to understand joy. What brings you joy? Joy is not just a little happy moment. Joy is the deep feeling of being right where you need to be. What activities do you enjoy so much that time seems to move fast? Do you love walking in nature? Do you love reading books? Do you love talking with new people? These actions show your true nature. When you spend time doing what brings you joy, you are honoring yourself. You are telling yourself, this is important. So, finding yourself is a big mix. Your unique thoughts, your clear feelings, your easy strengths, and your natural joys. All these parts make you wonderfully you. The journey to find yourself is not a test. There is no right or wrong answer. It is a slow, friendly discovery. Remember this, be kind to yourself today. This is the first step in self-discovery. If you want to practice English and this idea today, here are 2 questions to think about. 1. What made me smile yesterday? 2. What am I truly good at, even a little bit? Thinking about these simple things will help you connect with yourself. It will help you discover what makes you, you. Thank you very much for learning with me today. You are strong, you are wonderful, and you are on a great path. I look forward to speaking with you next time on English Podcasts for Beginners. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.